Hello, I'm Darren Grunwald. I'm a product specialist at Bobcat. Today I'm going to show you how to attach and remove your front end loader. To install your front end loader, enter the compact tractor and start your machine. Drive the compact tractor forward until the loader arms are about 2 inches from the mounting brackets. Stop the engine. Relieve hydraulic pressure by moving the joystick control lever forward, back, and side to side several times. Exit the compact tractor. The loader couplers and control valve couplers have color-coded caps and plugs. Identify which couplers are connected together. Install the couplers with the matching cap. Install the coupler plugs into the caps to keep them clean. The hydraulics will now be used to position the height of the loader arms to the bracket mounting hook. Next, start the engine. Slowly drive the compact tractor forward until the loader arm pins contact the mounting brackets. Using the joystick control lever, slowly extend the loader cylinder to roll the loader mount back into the mounting brackets. Stop the compact tractor, engage the parking brake, and exit the machine. Install the loader pin to secure the loader arms to the mounting brackets. Do this on both sides. Raise the stands fully and install the retaining pin through the stands and retainer straps on the loader arm. Do this on both sides of the front end loader. The loader stands should be off the ground after the pins are installed. Enter your compact tractor and start the machine. Raise and lower the loader arms and tilt the bucket forward and back several times to remove any air from the loader hydraulic system before using the loader. The loader is now ready to use. To remove the front end loader, park the compact tractor and loader on a flat, firm, and level surface. Stop the engine and exit the compact tractor. Remove the support stand pins on both sides. Lower the support stands fully on both sides. Install the support stand pins on both sides. Enter the compact tractor and start the machine. Using the joystick control lever, tilt the bucket back until the support stands are on the ground. Stop the engine and exit the compact tractor. Remove the loader pins on both sides. Enter the compact tractor and start the machine. Using the joystick control lever, slowly tilt the bucket forward until the loader arm pin is slightly higher than the mounting bracket. Stop the engine. Relieve hydraulic pressure in the loader hydraulics by moving the joystick control lever forward, back, and side to side. Exit the compact tractor. Disconnect the 4 hydraulic couplers. Install the caps and plugs on all the hydraulic couplers to keep dirt off the couplers. Position the hoses so that they lay over the loader arms and do not lay on the ground. Start your machine and slowly back away. Make sure the hydraulic hoses do not get caught on the compact tractor as it is backing away from the loader. Stop the engine and exit the compact tractor. After the loader has been removed, install the pins into the loader arm uprights for storage. For more information, refer to your operation and maintenance manual before you operate. Visit bobcat.com to learn more about Bobcat compact tractors.